Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is a song called Uh-Huh by Jade. Does she wake up, put on makeup in your bathroom, and go to work and stay out late and say she'll text you? I bet her boss runs his hands through her pretty blonde hairdo. Bet you never thought about that now, did you? It's none of my business, and I don't want to get involved. Do you think that she is good? I think you should be told. She got you on your knees like you're a little boy. Everybody knows you're just a little toy. She got a box filled that her daddy probably bought her. She asked you if you love her, and you nodded and said, uh-huh. She was short skirt, so you don't ask to check her phone. Talk about the guys at work so you feel egocentral. Like fancy cars and football teams, she's so continental. With a European accent does she speak oh so gentle. It's none of my business, and I don't want to get involved. You're thinking she is good. I know, she got you on your knees like you're a little boy. Everybody knows you're just a little toy. She got a box filled that her daddy probably bought her. She asked you if you love her, and you nodded and said, uh-huh. She got you where it hurts, but you don't seem to see. And when she's at work, she's doing what you did to me. She got you where it hurts, and you don't seem to see. When she's at work, she's doing what you did to me. She got you on your knees like you're a little boy. Everybody knows you're just a little toy. She got a box filled that her daddy probably bought her. She asked you if you love her, and you nodded and said, uh-huh. She asked you if you love her, and you nodded and said, uh-huh. She asked you if you love her, and you nodded and said, uh-huh. Alright, I made it through it. I'm not even going to tell you how many takes that took. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great evening.